Hi students, Mrs. Van Seth. In case you forgot what I look like, happy end of the school year, end of the trimester. This is my video journal about how this trimester went in academic support according to me. First of all, this was not my favorite trimester. As you probably know, having everything digital created a lot of issues. I tried to create assignments that I felt would help you out, but I know a lot of the reason that you take the class is to get extra tutoring and homework help, and it was really difficult to do that virtually. So we are working on continuing to do that for next year when we can finally see each other in person. What are some positive and challenges? My big positive, of course, is that I got to spend more time with my husband and kittens. Sol and Luna are doing just fine. And then, of course, one of the challenges is that I couldn't see all of you every single day. So those were some of my positives and challenges. What are some new things that I've learned? I've really been working hard on world history. I'm going to redesign it for next year, and we're going to make it by world region instead of chronological. And so I'm really gathering a lot of materials in order to make that class the best it can possibly be for all of you. What are some suggestions that you have for academic support? So a few things that are going to change about academic support for next year are, number one, we're going to have all of the sophomores in a 5th hour academic support, and all of the 11th and 12th graders are going to be in a 7th hour academic support. We hope that separating you by grades means that you have more classes in common with the other people in your academic support, and it's going to make it easier for us to find tutors for those specific classes. The other thing that will change is it will be taught by Miss Fegestead. We're really excited to have her. The plan is that she will be doing both sections of academic support for next year. So we're really excited about those changes, and we hope that they're just going to help you to do the best that you possibly can. A couple of shout outs. My first one, of course, is to our seniors that are graduating. We love and will miss you next year, but we're so excited for all of you. My other shout out is, of course, to all of my students. We really hope to see you soon, and we hope you have a really strong end of the trimester. So nice to see all of you. I'm excited for all of your videos, and I'm excited for all of the great things that you're going to do. Happy class of 2020.